Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to put WhatsApp status. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on WhatsApp. And now over here on the bottom you can find here is updates. Tap on this and now you can see here is my status. Tap on this. And now you can just click your photo or videos from here. Now I'll go with this photo. I'll click one photo. And after that we can add our caption from here. Now I'll tap mode on. And now to share this, on the bottom right you can find here is share. Just tap on this and now you can find here is our WhatsApp status. It's sending. Wait for a while. And now if I tap on this, you can see this is my status. So in this way we can put WhatsApp status. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.